Third and final pass.
We might have left in second gear on that one.
Really?
Yeah, the deal is like the shifter is real easy to pull back.
Right.
So I was holding the button and I never let go of the button. I know I never let go of the button and I never saw the shift light until the very end of the track again. But Cameron wiggled it,
yeah,
and it's super easy to pop into second
right.
gear.
Huh.
So this time we'll just shove it down. It just, whenever I'm in my suit or the wheels on there, I can't reach across the
right
all the way down. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe this will work.
All right. Full pass or 8th mile pass?
8th mile. It's
okay.
like hot as can be right now.
Right. Yeah.
We pulled it off for 30 minutes.
All right, here we go. Last pass of the night. You getting used to driving this thing?
Kind of. We're getting there. I gotta figure out how to back up.
We're only going forward today.
Yes. I made Cam back up last time.
Were you nervous? You're doing good. You're doing good.
Thanks, Charles.
I think my transmission said bye.
I'm gonna say, did you lose the tranny?
I think so.
Is it free where we can push it?
It should. Well, I say that, I pushed the brakes.
Yeah, I love these little cars like this that you can
Push it easy.
push, yeah. They go where they need to go. Yeah, it's great.
I love these old front loader cars.
Oh yeah.
This is my first trip out with it. I got it last weekend.
No kid.
Yep.
Everybody I talk to about these is like, you're crazy. There's no way I'd sit right on that rear end.
I don't know, it doesn't seem that scary.
I said, oh, I would.
Yeah.
Just give me a chance.
Yep.
problem I have is most of them aren't built big enough for my
That was the problem. I looked at 5 or 6 of these because there's not very many around.
Yeah.
And then I was like, well, I can squeeze into this thing, so
Right.
that's what happened.
Yeah, look at you now.
Yeah.
Back is clear. You want me to shut your power off? Or?
No, that leaves my back light on.
Okay. Move over to your left. Keep it where they can get around. That'll work right there, boss.
All right, man. Appreciate y'all.
Yes, sir. No problem. Stay in here with a flashlight in case anybody comes back and crazy. That one, we're out of breath.
You're welcome for the exercise.
Hey, I needed it. What's sad is I'm on my feet all day long, but you know.
I think my fucking harness still broke.
Sure did. Oh.
Where the bolt came out? No, it broke off. That's pretty awesome.
Where was the bolt at?
No, I don't think it was bolted. I think it was welded. That little tab right there.
Yeah. Yeah,
I think it broke off. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, right here.
Yep.
Well, I'm glad you found that this way.
Yep. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Yeah, that was.
That sucks.
Just remember when you go sit back down in that. That bolt
Yeah,
might be
I'm not gonna
sticking
sit in anything. I'll put my kid in it. The bad part is they're gonna get here and they have to go get a strap.
out. Oh.
Hey, you have to go get a ratchet strap. My seatbelt brace broke. That's what pushes it. But the transmission's dead too, and it might be knocking. So it's like all bad. Just go get one of those black and red ratchet straps.
This thing's so slow.
Hey, watch your mouth. That's all I got. Hey, turn around. Turn around. You're gonna wreck it. I don't need 2 wrecked cars.
Hear what you said. It goes faster backwards.
She ain't got no brains.
Say you think the motor's knocking?
I think so. It made some pretty good noise when I just tried to start it back, or when I started up to go. It was weird because I did my burnout and it just went straight rev limiter, and I was like, damn, that's not right. And so I backed up. He let me do another burnout. I do a burnout, do a fantastic burnout. Okay, cool. And then I tried to grab the brake, and there was no brake there. I just went right through the beams. So then I backed up, and he let me back up again, and went through the beams again, and held the brake. But I bet the band is bad on it or something. I don't know. I just got it, so we'll see. I got another power glide I can put in it if it's bad.
You got a welder?
I do.
Okay.
Yeah, that's getting way better than that, man. That sucks.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy. Yeah. No penetration on that one.
Hey, it's all I got. No, I didn't do it. I promise. I will, though. Look at that.
That's wow. Yeah.
It was welded there pretty good.
At one point.
Yeah. No, just right here. No big deal. Everything else is horrible. But that's cheesy stuff. We'll do it better next time.
There you go.
Oh, man.
So, is that it? 'Cause I don't see nobody else.
I think that's it. They called us to the lanes, and I might have been the last one.
That's it. That was your last car. Okay.
Joey, how'd you do?
Oh, it was pretty good. It felt a lot better than the time said.
Man, it launched rowdy.
It did. It went to the right. I don't know if that was my hand, but I didn't think so. But
Yeah.
I felt good on it.
Yeah, it looked a lot more aggressive out the hole for sure.
It did, but it didn't go faster. You know, it was a 136 or 138. They did that the second pass in Tulsa. I don't know. I really thought it was going to be faster. When I saw the time, it was 6-1.
Right.
I don't know.
Did you weigh it?
Yeah, 1450 with me in it.
Sweet.
So it makes,
Well, it looked good.
so it makes 200 horsepower.
Sam said he's crazy.
Yeah, but like, I don't think I left very much because my I don't think my brakes were gonna hold it very much over like $3,000. So I'll put it on the trans brake this time. I'll put it at $4,000.
What do you think it left on truly
What?
when it left?
Maybe
RP?
$3,000.
Yeah.
Like I said, it was pushing through already. I had my foot stomped on it.
So
It
this
was-
next pass be the 5th pass. We're leaving on $4,000 trans brake.
Yeah.
Sweet. All right, you heard him. Can't wait to see that. Woo! She's looking rowdy, Slick.
Running good this time.
Yeah, it looked good. Hey, they said you got 30 minutes.
No, we're not gonna make another pass then.
Cool.
It's like scalding hot, I'm sure. Oh, cool. Oh, that's hot.
Yeah, don't touch it. Damn.
Ain't that bad.
It's not? I would touch it. So, hey, how'd it feel?
It's okay.
Yeah?
No, I mean, it felt faster. That's good, yeah. Is that we don't have no water in it? Well, it's probably alcohol and oil. It's probably out of the breathers. Oh, yeah, the breather is soaked on the top of the valve cover. Yeah, it looks like milk. Yeah.
The candles were extra lit on that burnout. It was rowdy.
I got a good video of it.
I'm gonna take a video of you showing a video.
Yeah, the candles lit was cool.
Nice.
Yeah, that was sick.
I think it went the same thing. I think they put me at 168.
What did it run, a 1042?
I put 1969, but literally it says P 1968. They think I'm the other Dragster.
Well, you're
And it went a 135 and a 61, exactly the same.
What was the quarter mile?
That's fast.
1042?
Yeah, that's it.
It can't be exactly the same. That's the same time as last time.
No, I don't think so. Because I had a more mile an hour. I don't know.
You left higher stall.
Yeah, I don't know. I just didn't care, I guess.
I don't think so. And you didn't turn this time. It was straight.
It felt faster, but it didn't. Obviously, didn't go faster.
Is there a 158 on there? Is your tech card says 158 on it?
No,
Oh, okay.
they don't have that.
Oh, I didn't know if they.
Yeah, they don't care.
Well, awesome. So what are we running in tomorrow? What class is it?
No idea. They said I couldn't. The other guy said I couldn't get in the bracket class
The guy in the dragster?
or the index. Yeah, the guy that's helping him. I know him from normal racing, and he said it's the same rules for King of the Valley. Same rules for King of the Valley. It has to be an altered or a door car. So
Okay.
it'd be cool if I could get in 6.0.
Right.
Then I'd leave it alone. But I don't know. If they make me do outlaw, I'll do outlaw, but it's gonna be one pass.
Yeah.
I go,
That's broken.
that's bad. Hey, bud, I'm not.
All right, guys, it's race day. It's kind of early. We stayed out pretty late last night. I think I got back in around 1:30. Dragster's doing good. Still don't know what class we're gonna run yet. I'm gonna get this Roadster entered in the car show. I really do a good job of cleaning. But it is what it is. I'm not really worried about if I win or lose. I'm just there to have a good time. I need to get something for this paint. It's got a matte finish, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but it kind of gets a little streaky. I don't know. Quick detailer doesn't work. I need to holler at the boys over there at the Sweet Patina, see what they got. Maybe they can hook me up with some sauce. I think that stuff works good. Good morning. What's going on? All right, I'm about to put it down the road. We'll see you guys here in a little bit. Peace.
I would say left lane then, it'll get you in faster.
Hey, where's the car show parking at?
As soon as you go straight in the gates, everybody's on the right hand side. That whole lineup right there.
Right? Like the ash you got there.
Thank you. Kind of like yours too. Mine's sweatier, I'd trade you. Yeah. Alright, I need you to sign in, friend. Are you here to win?
No.
No.
I'm just here to be here. Look over Cameron Sims. Yeah, I'm just here to have fun.
Oh, well, you're going to have fun then. It'll be a good day. It's the car show, the swap meet, the races, like, all of it today.
Is that right?
Yep.
Well, I hope I find something good at the swap meet. That'll be a win.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'll see you inside.
Hey, thank
Stay
you.
to the left.
All right. Oh, he's gonna throw rocks on this one. On this side.
Finally, a good pass. Yes. Woo! God, that makes me happy. Now we can turn that leaf down.
Yes, sir. Hey, you got to slow it down. You're going too fast. You're going too fast, dog.
I guess it just 1 RPM on the lead.
Hell yeah, it does.
112.
All right, guys, we're back in the staging lanes. That first test pass of the day was actually considered our first qualifying round for a 6.0 index. We thought it was a practice run, and we thought we had 2 more practice runs, but apparently that was the qualifier. So this will be qualifying round number 2. He's got it turned down a little bit. I think he does anyway. Let's check. He was on 4400 launch. Still on, oh, we're on 4200 launch. So hopefully we can slow it down just a little bit just to get qualified to get in the race. Wish us luck. Look at him. 100% legit. 4200 RPMs, huh, Joey?
Oh, it's got a wire broken.
Oh, God.
I don't have anything. Just fucking cheesy ass deals. Put me back in the truck.
Uh-oh, hope we can get this figured out. He's got a wiring problem. Still working out the bugs. See what happens. Wish us luck. All right, hey, they're gonna push him back around to the truck. We need a miracle if we're gonna get this off. It's a wiring issue. We didn't have any power in the on the dash or anything. So, like I said, we need a miracle. We're still having a good time. Let's hope we get this figured out. I really want him to go a few rounds. It'd be awesome. I'll check back with you in a few. Keep your fingers crossed. Here we go. If there's anything we can do. If anybody can, Joey can. I hate to see
Hey, there's another one they soldered on. Man, I don't like soldering stuff on. That's the worst thing about a solder. It heats the wire up and makes it brittle. I don't care how good you are. The solder is bad. I had to redo all those solders. Is it light on? Yeah.
Here's this. It's that one. This one.
He said I could go back up and they try to get me on.
this. Perfect. Let me help you.
Yeah, it's it.
All right, guys, it's a miracle. I told you if anybody could do it, it's Joey. He got it back to his truck, got his tools, found a broken wire connection. He's mad at all y'all that solder. He said to stop doing it. Hey, I got to go with what he says. He's out here. Hey, this is a new car. He's still working out all the bugs. It's got a new transmission in it, new heads, new rockers. The wiring's a little iffy. Look at my boy. Look at that thing. This is the second round of qualifying. Like I said before, the first one we thought was a practice run. We thought we were going to have 2 more qualifying runs to get in the 6.0 index. Didn't make it like that. We thought we were about to be back on the trailer. We prayed for a miracle. It happened. Look at him over there. Is that not a I see you, dog. I see you. I see you. Settle down. Watch my boy. Here he comes. Cam coming down the lanes. That a boy Cam with the GoPro. He's gonna get this one on. He's gonna get this one on camera. Yeah, Kaylee, let's go. 6.0 index. Thunder Valley Raceway. What did he do? Cut it off? This engine has no water. It's not a filled block, so you can't run it for very long. Just anything. Here we go. It gets hot, the oil gets hot. You can't let it run for too long. That's what that bucket head is we got back there for it. We blow ice cold air through when we get it back to the pits. That's why I cut it off. Here we go. Best burnout guy in the business. Front engine dragster. So close.
That's close.
That's very close. So close.
All right, that's good. That's a good number to be at.
That's awesome.
I can short shift it, or
Can you still get in the race?
Yeah.
Okay, God, I thought we were done. I thought we were going home. What is that, 300ths of a second?
Thousands.
I don't know. I don't math.
No, it's hundreds.
You right. So how does this deal work? I'm all confused. I thought we only had 2 qualifying passes to get in.
Everybody races in this class.
Oh, okay.
You know, you don't have to qualify for the class. You just qualify to how you go.
Oh, okay,
so
I thought they had
the worst qualifier races the best qualifier. It's how it's supposed to go, but normally in these, it's a deal where you get a number on your car for what you qualified.
Yeah.
And so whenever you get paired, you get lane choice, so it doesn't really matter.
Well, whoever's gonna race you is gonna be screwed because you're dialed in now.
I hope so.
Yeah, man. It's all coming together. It's on?
Hey, qualified the last random draw, got the bye.
No way. My dog.
Can't believe that.
Hey, it's the gold boots. They bring in the luck.
Oh gosh.
That's what's up. All right, here he comes. We officially made it 1 round. Front engine dragster. That's all we wanted. Everything else now is a bonus. Out there in the gold boots. Got Cam with the directions, sitting right in the groove. All right. Good job, Kaylee. What do you think about that, Kaylee? That's my dog back there, man. Hey, we're dialed in. We're ready for round 2. Let's go check him out.
They're not fun.
So 3, what?
Well, I about died on the start line, and I was like, oh no, oh, here we go.
You was just playing with them.
I guess so.
Good job, man. Round 2, hey. We're in it.
That was wild. I knew I had him on the 60-foot, like I was way faster than he was, and I started running him down. I don't think the GoPro was on, but I was running him down hard, and I was like, oh, he's gonna break out. He's gonna break out, because I was dead late. And sure enough, he just tried to keep, he kept like, literally kept like right like a car on me, and he thought he was way ahead. I don't know what it ran, but.
He didn't know who he's playing with.
Nah, it was cool that I got to race a whole car though, so
yeah,
cool.
I loved it. GoPro failure again.
Yeah, I don't think it got turned on.
Uh-oh.
I thought somebody hit
We'll get the next one. It's all good. Hey, we're going to round 2.
Yes, sir.
We might not have won the car show, but he's making up for it right now. It's all good. Look at that. They call that one double ugly.
No, you're completely fine. That's why I was like, oh crap.
All right, guys, we got good news and bad news. The good news is we're in the 603. We are going to the second round if, here comes the bad news, he lost his brakes on that last pass. I don't know if you noticed it, but after the burnout, it went quite a ways down there, further than normal. So Joey's in here now. He's gonna try to see if he can get some brakes back in it. We got some brake fluids.
There was 0 brake fluid in it. Nothing
Zero?
in the match cylinder.
There was nothing. Well, you got a little bit in there now, so that's
I just got some from homeboy over there.
yeah, homeboy over there. Shout out to homeboy. So hopefully we can get some brake fluid in there and get over to round 2. Get a 601 this time. How about that? Let's see what it'll do. Right on time, baby. Looking good.
Yeah, just barely.
Hey, he's got a gold digger shirt on. You see that, Joey?
Hey, that's what I like. That's what I want. I'm gonna rock this gold and name it gold digger.
For real?
Yeah, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Everybody used to call them diggers back in the day.
Yeah.
That's good. No, no, that's not good.
That's not good.
What car you got?
I've got an 87 Grand National.
Big wheel car?
Yeah.
Are you gonna race next Saturday?
Saturday?
Oh, is it? The market? Cool, man. We'll be out. We'll watch it. Oh, say what?
We can make it fun and I'll run you.
Okay. How much?
Shit.
Uh-oh, Marcus.
Hey, what do you run? What do you think it
We
runs?
just have to find out.
All right, $100.
Yeah, 100 and a steak.
100
and a steak.
All right, bet.
Hey, Marcus. Hey, tell him about the race.
Hey, King of the Street, man. We're going down Thunder Valley Raceway Park. May 26th.
May 26th, $100 race with a steak on the line, baby. Let's get it.
Where y'all from?
Bill, we're racing the C10. We're racing the C10. Yeah. Get a little heat in her. Haley getting wild over there. Walking up the Oh yeah! Oh, 598.
Hey,
Ah,
you better put some more in it for the 26th.
we got her dialed back right there. Hey, we're coming. We hungry.
Hey, we gave you hell. That's a race right there, boy.
Dude, 598. Did the other guy break out? I was so focused on just you, I wasn't even paying attention to him.
No, I broke out. He went 603.
Oh no.
604 or something like that. We
Dude.
we had like almost identical reaction lights. Reaction time. Let's see, where's my phone at? Right.
598.
I was hossing the gas on.
I heard
hard.
you.
I was like, come on, easy. I wasn't gonna give him the stripe though. So 033, 039 light. I out 60 foot him and I out 330 him. I had him by like half a car. His front bumper was, or his front wheel was like at my tire. And then I was like, all right. I eased out. And then I was like, I still got him by too much. So then I hoss it. I was like, I'm taking the stripe. I took it.
Hey, sometimes you gotta just, hey, that's a W right there.
Yeah. Good news is we can turn it up and see what 5,000 feels like.
Ooh wee. Let's
Bill
do
said,
it, man.
Bill said he's gonna pile it for the 5,000 launch.
Bill, I think he'll fit his suit. Hey man, congratulations on going 2 rounds.
Yeah. We made it past the first round. That was good.
That was awesome, man.
That was a race right there. I don't mind losing like that.
You fought it, you fought the brakes, you fought the wiring.
Yeah, I had good brakes that time. You gotta pump them up. They're still air. We need to bleed them. You just had to pump them a little bit. That's cool. That was a good race. I like that.
Yeah, I'm proud of you, man. And good job, Kaylee.
Thanks.
You look good out there.
Thank you.
Good job, Cam.
Done it without her.
All right, well, we gave her hell. I came up short on the car show, and we did what we wanted to do here. We had a good time. Hey, if you guys ever see us out here at the track, make sure to stop on by and hang out with us. That's what we're all about. That's what we like to do. Come check it out. Hey, Marcus said you better turn it up.
I hope he thinks that's what it runs. I hope he thinks that's what it runs.
I said, hey, we're coming for you. We're hungry. I want the mistakes.
Yeah.
And I don't want no Salisbury.